Welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and today I want to talk to you guys about a particular site that you can actually make money passively in Nigeria today. Okay, the website name is called Naira Workers. Okay, it's called Naira Workers. Okay, now what is Naira Workers? Naira Workers is a website that actually helps you to make passive income in Nigeria. Okay, now what this website is all about is advertisers come to this website. Okay, they post their jobs. Okay, then you that is a worker on this site, what you do is that you perform minor tasks, just like minor jobs, and you get paid for it. Like somebody can come to this platform and said, I want you to like my Instagram page, like my Instagram post, okay, and I'll pay you for it. Somebody else might come here and say, okay, I want you to watch my YouTube video and I'll pay you for it. Excuse me. Another employer will come in here and said, okay, I want you to download this app and I'll pay you for it. Okay, it varies. The list is endless. Okay, but the assurance is that most of those jobs are jobs that are very easy, that you can complete within a minute, and some are even less than a minute. You complete the job and you'll be paid. Okay, let me not just bore you. I will just show you how this thing actually works. First and foremost, you have to click the link below this video so that you'll be able to register, because you need to register. You need an invite to register on the platform. Okay, so you check the link below this video. Okay, then you just click the link. It takes you to the website, www.nairaworkers.com. Then you register on the platform. Now, after registering on the platform, you will have a dashboard like this. Okay, then what you do next is this: you come in here and click on this particular button here. Okay, so when you click on this button, it will show you this interface. What you do next when you get here is that you click on available jobs. Okay, when you click on available jobs, it's going to take you to the interface where employers come to post their jobs, okay, for you to carry out. Like I rightly said, these jobs are very jobs that are easy, that you can do in less than a minute, some just a minute. Okay, and they pay well. Okay, let me just show you some of the jobs that they have here. Okay, as you can see, Binance new users only. Now, this employer is saying, go and sign up on Binance. Sign up on Binance, and I'm going to pay you 28 Naira. Okay, now this other employer is saying, watch video and subscribe. Now, this is a YouTube video. He is telling you that you should just go to YouTube, watch his video and subscribe, and he is going to pay you 14 Naira for just watching his video. Okay, and remember, this is exclusive to Nigerians. Okay, now this other employer is saying, perform a task for me on WhatsApp and I'm going to pay you 23 Naira. Okay, so let's see what's like this. Watch a video. Let's see the condition that is attached to this particular task. Let's click on it. Okay, now clicking on it, it brings us to this interface. Read what the employer is saying. He say, what is expected from workers, as in what is expected from me or you now being the worker. He's saying we should watch this video. This is the link to the video. So what you do is this: you just click on this link. This link will take you to YouTube. After watching the video, after subscribing rather, now you have to watch and subscribe on this particular one. Then he said you should take a screenshot for you to show him that you've actually subscribed to the YouTube channel. He says take a screenshot. Look at the instruction. He said take a screenshot of watched video and subscribe. The task is for you to just watch the video and subscribe to his channel, and you will be paid 14 Naira. Okay, how sweet is that? Now, all you need to do after watching the video, you screenshot where you subscribe to his channel. Just screenshot it, okay? Then after screenshotting it, you come down here, okay? You come down here where it says prove, okay? You can see prove. So what you do next is this. You just click on this particular place where it says upload first proof. When you click on this particular place here, it will take you to an interface where you now upload that screenshot that you took of his video or YouTube video where you subscribe. You just click here, okay? Then you go to your phone and you pick, okay, the screenshot, and that is just all. When you take the screenshot, you just come down here, okay? You come down here and you just submit. Now, when you submit, the person is going to review the work to be sure that you actually carried out the job properly according to the description, and you'll be paid. You'll be paid. Let me just show you little task I did, okay? You can see these are the little ones I did. I'm not just showing you, just to let you know that actually myself I've carried out some job on this particular platform, okay? Let me just show you. You see, these are the jobs I have done by myself. I just did it this morning within some minutes, and this is showing pending. I just did I think 2 jobs, and I have 42 naira pending. Now what's the employer needs to do is to check the job that I did and I submitted to him, check the proof that I actually carried out the job properly, and the fund will be released to me, okay? The fund will be released to me, and I will show you. Now, I'm going to show you withdrawal in the next video that I'll be making, okay? The truth of the matter is that a lot of people that I introduced to this thing earlier, they've cashed out, okay? So there's no 2 ways about it. They actually pay every Friday. After the accumulation of all your earning on Friday, they are going to pay and credit the money into your bank account, okay? So there's no worries about that. It's a legit site, okay? They actually pay. All you just need to do is to carry out those simple tasks, okay? So for the avoidance of that, I think I should just perform one task here so that you guys will get to see how exactly it is to carry out the job here, okay? Let me just do one particular one. As you can see, you see some are just for you to download app. You download app, you register, and you'll be paid. You can see this ecoin. This one is called ecoin linking. Just minor task, and you'll be paid 45 naira. Okay. Some are surveys. Okay. Now this one is saying that you should sign up Gmail. Just open a Gmail account. Just open a Gmail account, and you'll be paid 28 naira. Now let me show you something here. Look, the person says he wants 156 persons to perform this task, to perform open email account for him. And so far, 128 persons have done the task already. So it's just remaining about 24 thereabouts, okay? So the earlier you sign up and join this program now, the better it is for you to just start earning immediately, okay? So let me just show you one of the way of doing it. Let me just subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, so here I am now. Just click on the tab. Okay, the person have not even uploaded any video here. There's no video on his YouTube channel yet, so we'll not be able to perform that task for now because there's no video in that person's YouTube channel. But we're going to do another one. Just let me just show you another one because I actually want to show you how to do this thing. I'll click here. Then I'll click on the link. Okay. So what I do here is this. Is just to watch a video. Click on any of the video. Okay. See, you just watch the video for sometimes. You could just watch it for up to like 3 minutes. Okay. After you watch the video for like 3 minutes, what you do next is this. You just subscribe here. You click this button and subscribe. Okay. Then after you subscribe, what you do next is just to screenshot it. Screenshot it to show that you actually subscribe to the video. Okay. When you screenshot it this way, you can see the screenshots. Then you go back. That's after you must have watched it for like 3 minutes. Then you go back. Then you come down here. You come down here. Now you're going to click here to upload that screenshot. Okay. When you click here, voila, you can see I've uploaded the screenshot. This is the screenshot I just uploaded. Then what you do next is just to click submit. Okay. When you click submit, let me just submit this particular task. When you click submit, wow, you see I just submitted this job. So the person that gave out this job is going to review what I did, that actually watched the video, okay, and I subscribe to the channel, and I will be paid. Okay, so that's just how simple it is. The next video I'm going to make, I'm going to show you the withdrawal of my earning. So just subscribe to this video so that when I drop that video, you'll be able to see it. Just go ahead and click the subscription button and subscribe to my channel. So hopefully by next week I should drop that video of my earning. Okay, so you guys will get to see it. Moreover, for now the site is actually genuine. They've been paying out, so I will encourage you to just click the link below this video so that you'll be able to subscribe to the channel and begin to carry out those tasks and make passive income for yourself. All right, take care, you guys. Cheers. Bye bye.